the Nostalgia Critic Talking Plush. I already cut the tape, obviously. And there he is. Mr. Critic. What else I have in here? Oh, yeah, I forgot about this. I also ordered these Beavis and Butthead pins. Those are cool. There's a Shark Robot sticker. I think this might be a talk thing. So he says phrases, or maybe it's for more. I can't remember. It took a while to get this because I think they had to have so many, or had to have time to put them together, something like that, before they sent them out. And there he is.
A bat credit card.
And he's already talking. All right. Fix up his jacket. Oh, I think that's his gun. Yeah. How did he hold on to it? Oh, it's magnetic or something. But yeah, here we go.
Hello, I'm the Nostalgia Critic. I remember it so you don't have to. Let's take a look. What? That makes no sense. No! No! Does not compute! It's time. How many times have you watched Kick-Ass yet?
Once.
This is stupid! This is stupid! 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 Why does it look like Vegas? A bat credit card?
It's all of them. Okay. Let me see. I'll see what's in the other little box. Just a sec. Okay. So I put in his other little voice talkie box thingy. Fixed the tie a little.
I don't want to do this shit. Fuck Oney plays.
Okay.
Why did you buy this? Don't touch me. Hello, I'm the Nostalgia Critic Plush. I get stuffed in jars so you don't have to. So are we going to address the smell? I'm gonna review your joking technique. Go. They hit the Pentagon! If my batteries die, you die. Around 3 Chinese fingers were lost to make me. Guys, I'd appreciate it if you stopped making my eyes bleed. I don't want to do this shit. Fuck Oney plays.
Okay, I guess that's it. Yeah, that's the Nostalgia Critic Talking Plush thingy. A little tag. Okay. Anyway, that's that. Thank you for watching.